Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between fixed capital account and fluctuating capital account. A fixed capital account is a capital account in a partnership where the initial capital contribution remains unchanged unless there is a permanent addition or withdrawal. All other transactions like drawings, interest, salary, and profit share are recorded separately in a current account, ensuring that the capital balance remains stable. On the other hand, a fluctuating capital account is a type of capital account in a partnership where the capital balance changes based on transactions like profit share, interest on capital, drawings, and salary. All adjustments are recorded directly in the capital account, causing it to increase or decrease over time. So, let's look into the basic differences between fixed capital account and fluctuating capital account in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Under the fixed capital method, two accounts are maintained for each partner, whereas under the fluctuating capital method, only one capital account is maintained. Number 2. In the fixed capital method, the capital balance remains constant, whereas in the fluctuating capital method, the capital balance changes frequently. Number 3. In the fixed method, adjustments such as interest, drawings, salary, and commission are recorded in the current account, whereas in the fluctuating method, these adjustments are recorded directly in the capital account. Number 4. The fixed capital method must be specifically mentioned in the partnership deed, whereas the fluctuating method does not require any special mention. Number 5. The fixed capital method is suitable for large and formal firms, whereas the fluctuating capital method is more suitable for small and simple firms. Number 6. The fixed capital method provides clearer and separate records of capital and routine adjustments, whereas the fluctuating method offers less detail because all transactions are combined. Number 7. In the fixed capital method, permanent withdrawals are shown in the capital account and routine withdrawals in the current account, whereas in the fluctuating method, all withdrawals reduce the capital account directly. Number 8. Interest on capital and interest on drawings are recorded in the current account under the fixed method, whereas they are recorded directly in the capital account under the fluctuating method. Number 9. The fixed capital account usually has a constant opening and closing balance, whereas the fluctuating capital account shows varying balances each year. Number 10. The fixed capital method is slightly more complex due to the need to maintain two accounts, whereas the fluctuating method is easier because only one account is maintained. Number 11. In the fixed method, a partner's performance and routine transactions are separately visible through the current account, whereas in the fluctuating method, these are mixed together in the capital account. And difference number 12. In the fixed capital method, profits and losses are transferred to the current account, whereas in the fluctuating method, they are transferred directly to the capital account. So, these are the differences between fixed capital account and fluctuating capital account. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.